Hello friends, welcome to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we will discuss a latest job opportunity from Capgemini. In this video, we will discuss about the job role, the CTC they are offering, the roles and responsibilities required for this job, and lastly, we will discuss how one can apply for this job opportunity. So without further delay, let us discuss the job opportunity from Capgemini. This is job for engineering MCA batch 2019 and 20 candidates. The application deadline date is 9 January 2022 till 11:59 pm. The CTC they are offering you is 3 lakh per annum. Let us see the eligibility criteria required to apply for this job opportunity. The candidate must meet all the following criteria to apply. Let us see the criteria. The candidate graduated in 2019 and 20 are eligible to apply for this job opportunity. Let us see the academic qualification required to apply. MCA, BE, BTech are eligible to apply. ME, MTech student also apply for this job opportunity, but open only for information technology, information science and computer science. The candidate should have 50% and above in diploma graduation aggregate of 8 semesters and MCA aggregate of 6 semesters. And in ME, MTech, candidate should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone stages. The academic milestone stages considered are 10th, 12th, degree and post-graduation. In these stages, you should not possess a gap more than 1 year. Candidate should not have any gap within the academic milestone. Candidate appeared for 12 twice will be considered provided both the mark sheet are available. So if you appeared for 12 twice, you have to provide both the mark sheets. Candidate choosing degree after diploma should not have any gaps between diploma and degree. Candidate should not take more than 4 years of complete BE, BTech. Candidate should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. Must be flexible to relocate to any Capgemini location, work access, technology, domains, role, and should be ready to work in shift if required. Should be open to sign service level agreement at the time of joining. Only shortlisted candidate will be invited for the test assessment selection process. The entire selection process from test to interview will be done in virtual mode, and the candidate will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. Let us see how one can apply for this job opportunity. In this, you have to fill your first basic details, your full name, date of birth, gender, college, your email ID, and your mobile number. After filling this, you have to fill your contact details, then your current most recent education, your previous education, provide details of 10th, 12th, internship and work experience, profile photo and document. In this way, you apply for this job opportunity from Capgemini. I will provide the link in the description box so that you can apply for this job opportunity. Thank you.